Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to turn off haptic feedback in Township. To turn off or disable haptic feedback in Township, first of all open up the Township application on your device and from the main game screen, tap on the horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on the gear button. Inside the gear menu, look for the vibrating icon at the bottom in front of the sound icon. Simply tap on that and it should be crossed with a red line in order to switch off haptic feedback. Once you do that, you can enjoy Township without any vibrations. You have successfully turned off haptic feedback in Township. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe for more easy gaming tips. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.